Let me ask you something honest. Why are you tired? Even on days you don't do much. Not sleepy, not exhausted from work, just tired deep inside your bones. It's the kind of tired that coffee can't fix, and the battery's already on 30%. Today's episode is about that kind of tiredness. The one you don't talk about because even you can't fully explain it. Hey, I'm Daniel and welcome to my podcast. A lot of adults think they are lazy, but the truth is darker. Most people are burnt out without realizing. And the scary part is it happens slowly. Burnout isn't loud. It doesn't shout. It creeps in. One day you are fine, the next day you are functioning on autopilot. You remember what you need to do, but you don't have the energy to care about it. That's not laziness, that's depletion. There are two types of burnout. Example, crying, mental crash, breakdowns, sick leave, panic. This one people recognize. But the second one is the invisible one. This one looks like you're always tired, you are easily irritated, small tasks feel heavy, your mind feels blurry, you don't look forward to anything. Even fun feels like effort. Most working adults are in the invisible burnout stage because society rewards people who push through. You become the responsible one, the reliable one, the one who always manages somehow. But inside, you're running on fumes. You are not tired because you're weak. You are tired because of mental load. Mental load is everything you're juggling in your head. Deadlines, bills, family pressure, career worries, self-improvement, relationships, expectation, fear of failing, fear of not progressing. It's the weight of being an adult. Your brain is wired for survival, not for managing 50 responsibilities at once. The tiredness you feel is not from the task you do, but from the task you never get to complete. The unfinished responsibilities drain more energy than the finished ones. There is a psychological loop behind this burnout. It's called overwhelm, guilt, avoidance, and more overwhelm, and then deeper guilt. This is called the freeze cycle. You are not lazy, you are frozen. Your brain shuts down non-critical tasks because it thinks you are in danger. That's why you struggle to start things, you struggle with focus, you struggle to plan, and then you struggle to stay consistent. Your mind isn't tired, it's overloaded. People actually recover, so let's talk about solutions, but real human ones. Not just rest more, not take a holiday. You can rest and still feel tired. Number one, shrink your world. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, focus on one thing today. Not 5, not 10, just one. Number two, lower the pressure. Your standards are probably too high. Good enough is often enough. Number three, do a mental load download. Write everything down, every task, every worry, every responsibility. Your brain rests when it stops being your storage system. Number four, create micro rests, not big rests. Number five, do something that gives, not takes. Burnout makes life feel flat. Inject one thing per week that gives you energy. A walk, a hobby, a conversation, music, sunlight, tiny things revive the nervous system. If you've been tired for a long time, I want you to know this. You are not broken, you are not failing, you are not losing your strength. You are simply carrying too much, more than any human should. And your body isn't giving up, it's asking for a different way of living. You don't need a new life, you just need a new rhythm. Today, try one small thing, just one. Shrink your world, lower the pressure, give yourself grace. Your energy will come back. It won't happen overnight, but gently as you reclaim your space. If this episode helped you, share with someone who keeps saying, I'm just tired. I'll see you in the next episode.